So hello guys, welcome back to the next tutorial. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to interface EM18 or RFID with the LPC2148 and LCD display. So why we are using the RFID or EM18? What is the use? So we can use this RFID module as a security purpose. So suppose like how the in the metro station and all, like we are having the metro card. So with that card, we can swipe the gate and it will open. So in a similar manner, the security purpose and all, we can use the tag. So for that only. It is very good, and we have to learn about this RFID technology and all. So this is like one of wireless technology. We have to use it. And what are the hardware is needed? We need one ARM7 microcontroller, one LCD, and one RFID reader and tags. Okay, some connecting wires and breadboard is needed. Now, first I will explain you how to create the project, how to write the code, and how to create the hex code. And after that I will explain the coding part. Then I will show you the output on the hardware. So in order to create the project, we have to open the Keel Macrovision software. So just click here and it will open. So now once we click the like this, it will come. So what we have to do, we have to click on the project, select new Macrovision project, and then what we have to do, we have to create a new folder. I'm giving the name of the folder is RFID. I think I created the file itself, so I have to create the uh, folder first. So now you can see we have to give the file name. So I'm giving the file name as an RFID. Okay. So after giving the file name as an RFID, we have to select the legacy device and give the microcontroller name as an LPC2148. Okay. Once you will give the name, then we have to select this LPC2148, and this description related to LPC2148 will come, and then click on OK, and then click on yes. So after doing this one, then we have to check whether the startup file is added or not. Once it is added, you can see it here, and then we need to create new file. After creating the new file, then what we have to do, we have to in like in your case, you need to download the code from the app, and then uh, paste it in this here. And after doing this one, just control S you need to do, and then give the file name with the .c extension. Okay, give the file name with the .c extension. So I given the file name with the .c extension, and then after doing this one, what we have to do, we have to add this source file. For that, what we have to do, we have to right click on the source group, and then add existing file you need to click, and after that main.c. So here you can see that main.c file is added. Okay, and now what we have to do, we have to create the target. For creating the target, then click the right click on the source group, click on options for target. Wait, right click on the target, click on options for target, and then you click on use micro lib. After that, click on the output, create hex file, click on linker, use memory layout, and click OK. So by this way, once you will click this one, hex file will be generated, and that hex file you can upload on the LPC2148 microcontroller using FlashMagic utility. So now I'm going to explain you the code line by line. The first line is nothing but the header file. We are including the header file LPC2148, LPC214x.h, and in the second line, bit x is equal to nothing but it is for bit purpose I'm using. These all are the function declaration, and this much is the function declaration. This function are related to the LCD, and this function is related with the receiving the data and or transmitting the data of RFID. So okay, so this is this much function, like 5 function we are using for LCD, and this 4 function we are using for UART protocol for used for RFID. Okay, so transmitter we are transmitting the connector, receiver we are receiving the character. Now in the main function, we are taking one array with the length of 12, and after that what we are doing, we are making this much lines of port 1 of LPC214 microcontroller as an output, and then we are initializing two things. One is the LCD, another one is the serial initialization we are doing to set the baud rate and all. Okay, after that what we are going to do here, we are going to print on the first line of the LCD, like show your card. Okay, once after that, in the second line of the LCD, this is like this command is used for to display the data on the first line, and this command is used to display the data on the second line. So in the first line, I am going to print show your card, and in the second line, whatever data we are receiving from the tag wirelessly, when it is coming in within the range of the RFID reader, it will receive the data and print on data on the second line of the LCD. So this is all about the coding part, and here you can see these all are the commands related to the LCD initialization, and this is like command. So in that we have to keep in mind that this particular bit should be, we have to clear it. In case of data, we need to set that particular bit. Okay, and this is like showing purpose. So whatever character by character it will display on the LCD display. This is for LCD display, and this is like we are selecting PCLK 30 megahertz. For that, this is like the and UART how we are making. Okay, so this for this purpose this was, and this is like transmitting. So we need to check it like 10th bit whether we receive the data or not. Okay, here in this receiver we have to check the 10th bit whether we received or not. If it is fine, then it will return the it will restore the values in the buffer. Okay, so that's all about the coding part, and after that I will show you the output on the hardware. So let's I am going to interface all the hardware side, like RFID, EM18, and LCD, and LPC2148 microcontroller. So I will use two tags. One tag will have some different unique ID values, and another code will have some different unique ID values. So once I will put the tag within the range of this one, it will display some values on the second line of the LCD. Okay. So hello guys, this is the hardware setup for EM18 reader with the LCD and LPC2148 microcontroller. So in the code I will clearly explain like EM18 and the LCD and the connections and pin. So in the code you will get all the pin connections, like which pin we need to connect, as well as in the like circuit diagram also you will get the clear idea. Okay, so in the circuit diagram, once you will open in the tutorial, and you will see in the circuit diagram it is clearly mentioned that LCD in this case we are going to use with the port 1 starting from pin number 16. So port 1 starting from pin number 16 we are using for LCD. So RS pin we are connecting with the port 1 16 pin number, 17 pin number of port 1 we are connecting with the RW of LCD, and 18 pin of LCD we are connecting with the port 1 enable. Okay, so three connections, three control pins we connected, and data lines we are connecting with from the port 1.24 to port 1.31. So port 1 starting 16 lines are not available, as you already know. So we have to connect D0 to port 1.24, D1 to port 1.25, D2, D3, like this we need to connect D7 to port 1.31. Okay, and we need to provide one connection, connection that transmitter of this EM1816 module or RFID reader, we need to connect with the receiver of LPC2148. That is nothing but here you can see three wire connection only given. So one is the 5 volt, another one is the ground, and third one is the transmitter of this EM18 or reader module. I'm connected with the this pin port 0.1, which is acting as a receiver. So that's all about the connection part. So only two peripherals we are using with the ARM7. One is the LCD, another one is the EM18 modules. Apart from this, we are having this tag. This tag is acting as a like a unique ID it is having. So once we'll swipe this tag, it will give some value. And at the same time, this module is consisting one buzzer also. So the buzzer will also start. Okay. So that's all about this interfacing part. So connections, pin diagram, everything is mentioned in the document. You can download that document and you'll get the idea. The code also you can get it from there only. Okay, so now you can see the output. I am going to show you the output. So here see in the first line of the LCD it is showing show your card. Okay, so it is just user interaction we are providing here. So it is showing show your card. Okay, so show your card. So this we are having two different cards here. So if we'll show the ID related with this, it will update. See, now it is after showing this card, I am getting the value 3600A80 and 1118E. Okay, then again I am resetting it. After reset, I am swiping the another card. Now see the value we are getting different 3600A7F, 9F, 79F. So based on this character value, like whatever string in the second line, based on that we can identify which RFID tag is being swiped. So these RFID things we can use in the application of security system, automatic attendance system and all. So that's all about this hardware and demo. Thanks for watching the video. We'll meet in the next tutorial. Thank you.